Hello there, DIY enthusiasts and beginners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a project that's perfect for those looking to upgrade their space with a new carpet. It's a step-by-step guide to DIY carpet installation. So, roll up your sleeves, and let's dive into this beginner-friendly guide for DIY carpet installation. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before we get started, let's gather the materials you'll need for this project. You'll require your carpet padding, tackless strips, a staple gun, measuring tape, a utility knife, a knee kicker, and a carpet stretcher. Make sure you've chosen a carpet that suits your space and style. Step 2. Prepare the room. Remove all furniture and any old flooring. Ensure the subfloor is clean, smooth, and free from debris. If needed, make any necessary repairs to the subfloor before moving forward. Step 3. Install tackless strips. Place tackless strips around the perimeter of the room, about ½ an inch away from the baseboard. Make sure the pins on the strips face the wall. Use a hammer to secure them in place. Step 4. Lay the carpet padding. Roll out the carpet padding across the entire room, trimming any excess. Make sure the padding is snug and smooth, without any wrinkles or gaps. Staple the padding along the edges to secure it in place. Step 5. Measure and cut the carpet. Measure the room carefully, adding a few inches for excess. Roll out the carpet and use a utility knife to cut it to the correct size. Take your time to ensure accurate measurements and cuts. Step 6. Install the carpet. Begin in one corner of the room and unroll the carpet. Use a knee kicker and a carpet stretcher to secure the carpet along the tackless strips, working your way across the room. Step 7. Trim and finish. Use a utility knife to trim any excess carpet along the edges of the room. Tuck the edges of the carpet under the baseboard and use a carpet seam roller to ensure a seamless finish. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to DIY carpet installation for beginners. It's a rewarding project that can add comfort and style to your space.